Hello everyone. So today I have a message for the chosen ones. The chosen ones who have done lot of inner work, lot of healing and come up this far. Okay? Please bear with me today. Keep patience because this video is long. There are a lot of synchronicities which I have received from the universe for you. Which you need to hear right now. Another important thing, tomorrow is a 12-12 portal. Okay, portals are those kind of days where you are shifting timelines. Okay, your energy is elevating. Okay, so you must be feeling tired and exhausted, so you are advised to take rest whenever required. Okay, also I was guided to wear this golden color dress. Okay, for today, for this video I was also advised to come outside my house and take this video today. Okay, so that is why you can see that I'm surrounded with the natural plants and in the nature. Okay, so the first sign which I have received for you is that golden is a color, okay, which is surrounding your aura right now, your energy field right now. Okay, this means that you have shifted your timeline. You are in your highest frequency right now. You are protected by the God, by angels and ancestors. You must be seeing golden color cars, brown goldenish car, orange goldenish car. These are your signs. The second one is that you are advised to come outside in the nature, connect with the nature. Whenever you feel very disturbed or whenever you want to purge out or release, you are advised to come in the nature. Another important thing, if you wear gold, suddenly if you start wearing a gold watch, a gold plated watch or a gold chain or anything, it is good for you because it will somehow attract the energies which you want to attract right now. Okay, another important thing is you are some kind of a person who is also the chosen one, who is also looking at the sky means you're connecting with the space which is outside you and the space which is inside you. Because when you meditate and when you create those gaps inside you, that peace which you are developing slowly and steadily, that peace will start broadening your horizons. You will start expanding that peace within yourself and within your system. Okay, so observing the sky, looking at the stars, these are the signs which means that you are connecting with the spirit on a very deeper level. Okay, another important sign is helicopters. I was seeing lot of helicopters since the past 2 days. Okay, which is not a normal thing. Okay, to see so many helicopters suddenly. Okay, so these are the signs that things are moving fast in your life, very very fast. Okay, so you need to keep patience with yourself. You need to take rest in intervals. Also, you must be feeling very exhausted because of the 12-12 portal which we are happening tomorrow. Okay, as you are elevating, as you are releasing, as you are purging out, because this is the last month. December is the last month where you are purging out, releasing everything. You are ready for the new beginnings. Okay, I was seeing the one was coming in front of my eyes. So one also means that you are elevating. Okay, you are ready for your new beginnings, you are ready for the new chapter in your life. Okay, so take those guided actions and release everything from the old. Okay, purge out of everything from the past, whatever energies are there inside you, outside of you, the forces which don't want you to move ahead. Okay, there are forces which don't want you to move ahead. Let me tell you this very very clearly. See, earth is balanced, our planet is always balanced with the positives and the negatives. You need to understand that, with good and the evil. Okay, now the thing is that because you are elevating, because you have been awakened, and because you are a chosen one, you are doing this work for God, for the society. Okay, you are elevating, you have learnt your lessons. So obviously negative forces from the past lives, from a lot of these energies, they will come. What you have to do is, whenever they come, be aware about it. Okay, but stay focused, stay grounded in yourself. Okay, stay focused. Okay, and always pray to the divine, connect with the divine, because divine is the one who is going to protect you from these energies, okay. Another important thing is that let go, release, because this is a period of releasing lot of things. Maybe your soul has gone through so many traumas, hurts, triggers from this lifetime and from the previous lifetimes. The relationships were not that great, okay. You have also been betrayed. People have always betrayed you, okay, in your life. You know about it. Also, you are the one who's always been a giver. You have always given your unconditional love, positivity outside, okay. Still keep being positive, still keep giving your unconditional love wherever required, but maintain firm boundaries. This is what I wanted to tell you today, is that maintain firm boundaries with the people from the past, whether they are your family members, relatives, your own parents who never supported you, okay, or whoever it is. Just maintain firm boundaries with them. See, we can love people from the distance, okay, we can wish good for them, pray good for them, but they cannot keep coming and hurting our soul, because your soul has gone through a lot. Your soul is right now healing so much, going in that rest mode so much right now, that is the reason you are feeling exhausted, okay. So rest a lot, maintain your firm boundaries with people wherever you can, and now you are ready for the next step. You know that the right soul people are there for you, so have faith, have that positivity inside you. And because you have gone through a lot, sometimes you may be also closing your heart or your heart space. So don't close your heart space, don't put so many walls and barriers in your heart, okay. Just go all out. If you know that there is somebody similar like you, your soul people, your soul family, you have realized it, you are getting some visions about it, maybe you're getting some dreams about it, so go for it, okay. Connect with them, they are the right people for you. They will not betray you, they are not here to betray you. Whatever betrayals have happened, they have happened. Now anymore you will not get betrayed, okay. So collaborate with the right people for your work, for your job, for your business, and be connected in your intuitions always, because your intuitions are guiding you to the right path, okay. Also aeroplanes are very significant, just like helicopters. Even aeroplanes are very significant. It also means that you are elevating, you are leveling up. Also you might take a travel plan soon. This is also what I feel, is that you will travel, okay. Maybe in a month or 2 months or 3 months you will take a travel plan, that, or some of you may be also shifting houses, shifting careers, okay. Lot of things are happening in your life right now, where a lot of doors are closing, but there are new doors which are opening up for you. Be ready for the new doors. That is why this rest period is given to you, so that when that new door is opened, when that new thing is opened, you are ready, you are totally ready, okay. So God is preparing you for that period right now. Butterflies will be significant, dragonflies will be significant, because you are transforming, you are healing, you have actually transformed a lot, healed a lot. You can now look back and see how you were in last 1 year and how you are today in this 1 year. You are a changed person. You are not that kind of a person who will again get frustrated, irritated on small things. Or now your mind has also expanded, okay. Your views have expanded. Also the reason I was told to come out of here, okay, outside my house, means also that you are supposed to come out of your mindset. Don't restrict your mindset. Don't let society conditionings affect you. Remove all the society conditionings. The last layer, the last mask also you need to remove. Then only you will become limitless. Then only you will become one with the creator. So keep affirming, I'm one with the creator, I'm one with the divine, okay. I'm ready for everything in my life. So today, if something is given to you, if God is giving you, guiding you somewhere where you needed to be, you always visualize that this was your goal and now you have reached your goal, okay. So God has given you that because you have worked very hard to come to that goal. So now when you have received, or you are receiving it, receive it with open heart, okay. and let go of all the previous versions which led you to be here. So you have to remove that last layer of society conditioning, all the previous versions. Take lot of salt water baths. This will really help you, okay, to let go of all the energies which are surrounding you, because finally we are always connected with the energy field, okay. Meditate whenever possible, even for 10 minutes. Just meditate and connect with the god, okay, because that will give you more peace, the peace which you need right now, okay. And I think I'm done for this reading today, okay. Also color green color is very significant, which is also for your heart, okay, where you are opening up, okay. This month is very good for you. January, also the month of Jan is very very important for you, because you are going to see that newness, you are going to see a lot of things opening up for you, okay, chosen one. So take the steps which you have taken. Yes, things are unknown. Yes, you need to take a lot of leap of faiths in your life. You have to take those leap of faiths, because you have come this far. But now if you see your last 1 year, you have got such amazing signs which were like, it was like miracles were happening, that what is happening, and you will see more miracles after you take these leap of faiths, because you are meant to be with right people, you are meant to be in the right work front, you are meant to just be seen, heard, you are meant to be there, okay. So again I'm closing this. It's like 11:36, okay, it's going on. So I'm closing this portal 1212 is important. Release as much as you can from the past. Let them go, okay. If they are not respecting you, if they are not worthy of you, if they do not understand you, please don't explain people what you are. You don't need to prove yourself. You have done enough for everybody. Let them be, love them from far, but pour into yourself a lot now. Unconditional love, joy, happiness, calmness, good health. Wish for yourself a lot, okay. And because this is your time to shine, okay. You have done a lot for everybody, but this is your time to shine. You deserve the best. You deserve the best things in life, okay. So chosen ones, this is your time right now, okay. Just take those aligned actions for yourself. Thank you.